Hi, my name's Ihsan Tuncel and I'm a holistic health coach. I'm on a mission because I want to see more healthy people in society. On the 30th of June, I will take you through 6 powerful steps that will transform your body and your mind. I'd love to see you there.
Hi gorgeous people, my name is Therese Kerr and I can't wait to share the event with you on the 30th of June and share with you how chemicals are impacting our hormones and our health. I look forward to seeing you then.
Hi everyone, I'm so excited to be coming down to Melbourne June 30th for the You Are Worthy event. What incredible speakers we have for that event. The incredible Therese Kerr, voted top 50 most influential women around Australia, and you will find out exactly why. Ihsan Tuncel, who is just a wealth of knowledge, particularly in the fitness area. Daria and Amanda, incredible speakers, and I'm so excited to be joining them, talking to you all about why you are worthy, both of wellness, living a life that is empowered, and I'm going to be sharing with you some tips about business and wellness. I can't wait.
Hey guys, it's Amanda Campbell from BendLikeBamboo. Really excited to speak on the 30th of June. Come along and learn all about how to promote a happy mind.
Hello, Holistic Health Coach Therese Kerr with you. I look forward to seeing you on the 30th of June where we dissect everything to do with low tox living in your home. See you then.